Hello everyone, welcome to the Cloud Network channels. In this video I'm going to show you about how to reset the root password in Ubuntu 20.04 which I am using. So how to reset the root password and also any user account if you want to reset. So for that one, wherever you have installed that OS, just you need to restart it. So click on that one, power off, click on power off and restart. Okay, so after restart immediately you need to press the shift key. Okay, so that it will be avoid to boot, to avoid the boot. Okay, directly boot. So we need the grep menu. For that you need to press shift continuously key on the screen, you can see. So for that one, once we get onto the boot menu, we'll able to edit the grep menu. From there we can change the settings. So we need to wait for a few minutes here until we get the grep menu here. So either you can restart the OS also, or you can try with this shift key. Okay, you need to press the right shift key continuously until we get the grabbed icon. It will become up. Wait. So on the screen we can see I got this menu here. So let's leave this key. I just remove the key. Okay, so the resolution is not coming. Yeah, okay, select the Ubuntu, the first option. You can see you have to select the first option. Okay, after that selecting the first option, you can see the reading option here is there. So edit, e for edit. So we need to press here edit. Okay, and then we need to just go to the advanced Linux. We need to find one line is there. So on the screen you need to find this name. With the name you can see Linux is there, and the Linux, the line is straight at the end of the line you see. So this one, so we need to remove this whole line and we need to add one line. Okay, so just remove this line and then add the rw space int in slash n. So complete, you need to write this command here. Okay, so after writing this command you need to press F10. On the screen you can see you need to press F10. So just press F10 to boot. So we came on to the shell promise there. We can see this is the shell promise there. So here what we have to do is we need to type the command, like we need to enable the mount directory. Okay, for that we need to type mount. Okay, then give us space, then question mark, corrupt, then space f&w, then slash. Now you can see this, we came on to the read write is there. This one is the partition which is came on this direct read write. Okay, now we need to type the password here. So now we came on to the resetting. Just type the password here, password. Okay, and give root. In place of root you can give any user name. Okay, replace the root, you can give any name. So you can see this has been successfully set the password. Now we need to just execute the command. We need to save this one. For that one we need to type this command. So just type this one. Now site been set. So if you get error also during that, so if you get the errors also, like fail to like if you get authentication manipulation errors or kernel panic errors or fail to connect or fail to talk. Means for the authentication manipular error, you need to mount the directory by giving mount space hyphen o hyphen arrow mount redirect. So all those things Aman you can find description below to my video. So in this way I have automatic login, but it will work. Okay, so I will show you one more method for this resetting the password, and I'm going to restart is this my system. Okay, so immediately we need to press the shift key here. When the system restart or power on, you can see that the logo is coming, that means, and just wait few minutes until we get the graph menu here. So once we get the restart, this is another method for resetting. Go to advanced option here. Okay, and then select the recovery mode. Okay, Ubuntu. So this is another method. So if you get any errors, you can just watch in below to my video. There is description box, there is a commands for that one. For every error there is a solution is there, whatever you error gets. So go to the scroll down, select drop to root shell is there, and then there is a maintenance root password, which just now I have set the password, that's why I am getting this one option. Okay, so just type the password here, and directly you can type here PASSWD and give the root. In place of root you can give any name which you want to reset the password. Okay, now you can see has been set. Now you can put a reboot also here, or exit also you can give it. So in this way you can reset the password. So if you have any problem you can comment below to my video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Cloud Network channel. Also you can chat me on Hangout with the email id itcloudnet@gmail.com. Send me invitation, and also you can email me on that email id with a screenshot of whatever error you are getting. Please share my channel videos to your friends and relatives.